children, welcome back to our part 2 video of today's assignment. And as you all know that today we are doing EVS chapter number 9, that is our home. So children, I hope you all have watched my part 1 video in which I have read the chapter and explained it to you very nicely, and I want you all to read in the same manner as how I have read. Okay, जैसा आपकी मैम आपके बुक में देख के पढ़ा रही है वैसा ही सेम आपको भी रीडिंग करना है टू इम्प्रूव योर रीडिंग स्किल्स. तो इसलिए आपको इंग्लिश, हिंदी, ईवीएस सब बुक्स की रीडिंग डेली करनी है 2 to 3 टाइम्स. ओके, सारे लेसन्स की रीडिंग आपको रोज़ डेली 2 to 3 टाइम्स करना ही करना है. नाउ टुडे चिल्ड्रन, एज यू ऑल नो दैट इन पार्ट 1 video I have explained you the topic of our home. Okay, and you all have understood now that what is a home. When we live together with our family is known as a home, and when we live together then only we come to know that how we should stay with each other, how we should obey our parents, how we should obey our elders, and how to stay in a loving manner with each other. Okay, and in this topic we have also learned that how many rooms are there in a home, and different rooms are used for different purposes. Okay, अलग अलग rooms का अलग अलग अपना use है. Okay, so like your dining room is used to eat meal, you eat meal there. Your drawing room is used to sit and talk with the guests or to listen music and watch television. Your bedroom is used to relax, sleep and take rest. Kitchen is used to prepare or to cook food. Okay, bathroom is used to take a bath, and your study room is used to study, is used for you all to study. So I think you all have understood this topic very clearly, and in the last it was explained that you should always take care and you should always keep your house neat and clean. All your clothes should be in your cupboard, all your books should be in your bookshelf. Okay, so this is the way how you can keep your house neat and clean every time. Okay, everything should be in the proper places. So now children, after completing our part 1 video, in this part 2 video what we are going to do is we are going to do one new notebook exercise. So you have to take out your EVS notebook and please turn to a new page. Okay, so we will start with our new exercise, that is answer in one word. But before starting with this exercise, I want to explain you, I want to show you that till now what we have done in this chapter. So let's see. As you can see, part A of this chapter was assignment number 9.1. So the first assignment of this chapter was new words. There were 10 new words in all, and I told you to complete them. And then after that, assignment number 9.2, in which we have done part 2, fill in the blanks. Okay, so there were 6 fill in the blanks. Okay, and I hope you all have completed that. And then we have done our third exercise, that is assignment number 9.3, and the third exercise was true or false. So again, I hope you all have completed all the true false very nicely in your notebooks. There were 5 true false which I have given you and explained also. Now children, yesterday I gave you true false as well as match the following. So there were total 4 exercises till now we have done, part D, with 5 match the following. I hope you all have completed this exercise. And now children, those who have not completed these exercises or any of your exercises missing, then please make sure complete your leftover work first and then start with your today's work. Okay, because all your assignments should be in their sequential order. Now please open a new page. Okay, and from a new page we will start doing our today's exercise. So we are going to do only one exercise today. So first of all, what you will do, you will write down today's date, that is 14/8/2021. In the first line you will give the heading of chapter number 9, our home. Then in the next line you will write down assignment number 9.4. Okay, now your fifth exercise, that is part E, is answer in one word. Now in this chapter children, as it is a very small chapter, we are not going to do question answers or any other exercise. So we are finishing this chapter with our last exercise today, that is answer in one word. एक सेंटेंस दिया होगा, उसको पढ़ के आपको एक वर्ड में उसका आंसर देना है, one word. Okay, so are you all ready? Very good, let's get started. So the first sentence is house in which we live with our family. एक घर जिसमें हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Home. Okay, when you live in a house with your family members together, then that house becomes a home. So what you will write? H-O-M-E, home. Is that clear? House in which we live with our family, home. Now coming to the second question, room in which we sit and talk to our guest. जब भी हमारे घर में कोई गेस्ट आते हैं मिलने हमसे, तो वो कौन सा रूम होता है जहाँ पे हम उनको बैठाते हैं, जहाँ पे हम उनके साथ बातें करते हैं? That room is known as drawing room. Correct. So you will write here D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing room, R-O-O-M, room. So drawing room is a place where we sit with our guests and talk. Okay, we also see television there, we also listen to music there, okay, in that room. So drawing room is your one word answer. Clear? Now coming to the third question, place where we take rest and sleep. Very easy. कौन सी ऐसी place है, कौन सा ऐसा room है जहाँ पे आप rest लेते हो और सोते हो? That is your bedroom. Very good. So you will write here B-E-D, bed, R-O-O-M, room. Bedroom is your one word answer. Now coming to the fourth question, where should we keep our clothes? हमें अपने कपड़े कहाँ रखने चाहिए? अलमारी में. So almari in English is known as cupboard. So what is your answer? What will be your answer? Cupboard. Okay. So what you will write? C-U-P, cup, B-O-A-R-D, board, cupboard. So clothes को हम कहाँ में रखते हैं? काहे में रखते हैं? किसके अंदर? कबर्ड के अंदर. ओके, ये नहीं कि आप कहीं से घूम के आए या स्कूल से आए और आपने कपड़े उतार के फेंक दिए, अगले दिन आपको कपड़े नहीं मिल रहे, किसी की टाई नहीं मिल रही, किसी की बेल्ट नहीं मिल रही, किसी का एक सॉक्स मिल रहा है, दूसरा मिल ही नहीं रहा. ओके, सो दिस इज अ वेरी बैड थिंग. आपको कहीं से भी आओ, अपने कपड़े चेंज करने हैं. सबसे पहला काम है आपको अपने कपड़े चेंज करने हैं और जो आपने उतारे हैं कपड़े उनको वापस से अपनी कबर्ड में रखना है. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ कमिंग टू द फिफ्थ पार्ट, दैट इज प्लेस वेयर आवर मदर कुक्स फूड. ऐसी जगह कौन सी है जहाँ पे मम्मी खाना बनाती है? किचन. वेरी गुड. सो K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen is your answer. Now coming to the sixth sentence, sixth question, in which room we eat our meals. हम अपना खाना कौन से रूम में बैठ के खाते हैं? क्या हम ड्राइंग रूम में खाते हैं? नहीं. बेडरूम में खाते हैं? नो. किचन में खाते हैं? नो. किचन में तो खाना बनता है, तो हम खाते कहाँ हैं? डाइनिंग रूम. D-I-N-I-N-G, डाइनिंग, R-O-O-M, room, dining room. Is that clear? So our last two questions are, where should we keep our books? अब हमें अपनी books कहाँ रखनी चाहिए? Books के लिए हम क्या बनवाते हैं? Shelves. So you will write here S-H-E-L-V-E-S, shelves. Okay. Then in the last eighth question, in which room do we study? हम कौन से रूम में बैठ के पढ़ते हैं, स्टडी करते हैं? तो study means study room. So you will write here S-T-U-D-Y, study, R-O-O-M, room, study room. So study room is your one word answer. So I hope children you all have understood this exercise. So by this we complete with the 9th chapter. So from Monday we will be starting with a new chapter. So I want you all to complete this exercise very nicely in your notebooks. Okay, so Saturday Sunday you will be getting, so whatever work is your pending, please complete all your pending work. Okay, so till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.